Yeah, well, garbage collection here is actually working, which is a very nice feature. And yeah, the door is there, so it's definitely doable. Yes, perfect.
They also have a maintenance team here who can handle electrics and stuff and plumbing.
Okay.
Because we had some stuff done as well. Yep. They're usually all pretty good with it and pretty cheap.
So did you guys have fun the other day?
Where?
In Euro. Was it in Euro?
G, right?
G.
2 days ago, I guess.
Ah, yeah. It was fun. I had a few beers. And
Mostly 2 days ago.
So 15 floor.
Oh, the 15. The units on 14 and 15 are bigger.
Okay.
There, and then on the lower floors, there are some are smaller. So it depends.
Okay.
I guess the higher you go, the bigger the units are.
What's our number 14?
Big units. They're double sized, 80 to 100 square. Okay. So you have your standard lobby here.
So you did the lighting in the building here?
No, only outside.
Outside, okay.
So lobby and then this.
Oh, that's a nice gym,
There
actually.
is still an empty space here next to it, maybe a coffee shop or something.
Ah, okay.
Used to be, but not anymore.
Well, I mean, oh, this is very cool. This is good. It's spacious.
It's
Yeah,
air
yeah.
conditioned, but now
Not
it's not
bad. It's pretty okay.
No, it's a nice gym.
I mean, I've definitely seen worse than this, for sure.
Yeah.
Manila, all the different places I stayed, they were like crap compared to this. This is,
And usually
This
there
is
is
good.
TV and CFTV. You can choose your own channels here.
yeah.
And the aircon also, but now they're not allowed to turn it on.
Yeah. Nice.
Here is jacuzzi and sauna inside, and then dressing rooms.
Okay.
You can have a look at.
And we also have lockers in here if you're not going in.
You can like consume as much jacuzzi as you want.
You have CRs and there's jacuzzi and yeah, you can ask the pool boy to turn it on for you. It's free.
The CR and jacuzzi in the same place is kind of an interesting combination, but plus it's
Yeah, it is, and then male and female separate. I don't know why they do that.
an emergency generator, so basically
Yes.
that one works.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
We never have a brownout. If there's
kind of
no
important.
power, it automatically goes on.
Okay, it's
We
pretty
never,
cool.
and you don't hear it on the 11th floor.
And
And kids pool, there's
Yeah.
a little shed there you can sit,
exactly.
barbecue. Kids pool and me pool.
Yeah, awesome. And again, we have to really take note that this is very low season, so people who own the condo here are mostly foreigners and so on, so they are either here or not here.
My dad is the only one that actually lives here.
Oh, okay.
Everybody else comes, in the weekend, once a month, every quarter.
Yeah.
Or guests or rent out.
Yeah, rent out, yeah. So, I mean, I'm just really concerned about like how they maintain the place,
It's
because
pretty well. Now they have to. They need to do some work, but now there's only one guy doing everything.
Oh, okay.
Usually they have 3 or 4.
3 or 4 guys, okay.
And when the hotel's open, that all kicks in. Also, he's working there.
I remember I've seen a lot of Facebook posts from this swimming pool. So,
Yeah, right.
where I was going like, yeah, where the hell is that? But I have been here before, but
Yeah, with Rich's thingy.
richest thing, yeah, was here.
The water is clean. Oh, now I feel like swimming. Damn, should have brought our.
That's not bad. It's actually, the pumps are running right now, so the water is clean. So we could go for a swim if we want to.
They just installed a new pump.
Ah, okay. So they just installed a new pump here, so the pool is definitely being maintained. So it's not bad. I mean, it's actually better than good, because like the whole area here is going to be free of construction, and the construction will happen in the future. It's going to be congested. Probably this area is going to be the more exclusive area of Mactan, I think, because it's near Shangri-La.
Yeah,
And Mactan Newtown.
Crimson, Mactan
Exactly.
Newtown.
Yeah.
And did you see the latest plans for that the Newtown beach? They're gonna drag in the beach all the way to the front equally with this.
Holy shit.
So basically, if you get out of Mactan Newtown, you cross the street, you're on the beach already. They're dragging in the whole beach.
Oh, they're dragging it in.
They're
Awesome.
gonna make it massive.
Massive.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Fucking nice. But only exclusive for people who can afford it. All the poor people, they're not allowed to go there
I don't
anymore.
think so.
We don't want those poor people.
Well,
Bad poor people.
for me, it's all the same. But
I'm
as long
just
as they keep
kidding.
it clean.
Appealing to the socialistic part of my brother, and
It is pretty, and it never gets crowded at the pool. That's a good thing. We can go in here, then you have the whole tour.
Okay.
There is conference rooms here as well, actually, for business, if you want.
All right.
They have one big one, they have 2 or 3 of them.
Cool.
Hey, man. When the hotel is open, they sometimes do breakfast here also.
Okay.
You pay like 400 or 500 for a breakfast buffet. My dad used
Buffet?
to do it.
Okay.
No, my dad used to do it.
All right.
But now it's just there, nothing's happening here. But you can use it
COVID-19.
for a wedding or whatever.
Yeah.
And then we're back at home.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Sure.
All right, guys. Then I'm gonna go. Go ahead.
Yeah.
See you later, alligator. Bye for now.
Switch cars.
Yes. All right.
Take care, man.
Okay. Bye bye.